Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. This is going to be a little bit more of a commentary slash talking head video. I don't do a lot of these over here on the channel mainly because I'm so tutorial and kind of technology focused. It doesn't really always make sense to make these kind of videos, but today is more of a special kind of introduction day to how my channel is going to be going forward, especially now with the current situation. I'm currently not working full time like I used to be, so I've decided to make a small change over here in the channel to try something different. As with the current situation, I've currently seen a lot of extra growth over here in the channel. I'll leave some graphs on screen right now for my views and subs. It's absolutely crazy to see the difference a couple weeks can make over here. So I'm really thankful for everything that's been happening on the channel, and I would like to keep this extended and hopefully increase it for as long as humanly possible. So because of that, I'm going to be testing out and trying daily uploads over here in the channel. So today is Sunday, so tomorrow is Monday. That's quick maths right there. So from tomorrow onwards, I'm going to be testing out daily uploads for the next couple weeks, at least while I have time. I'm not sure when I'm going to be back to work, but that might change my situation a little bit. But depending on how the growth goes, if it continues to go at this rate, which I hope it does, then I will absolutely be able to put some more time into this. I'll be able to schedule more time for it, and maybe not daily uploads, maybe Monday to Friday might be more feasible, but I'll kind of see how that goes over the coming weeks. So I do plan to more mass produce videos, as that's kind of possible with my channel. I don't really do too topical things. I don't really need news to come out to make videos. There's a bunch of tutorials I have in mind at the moment, and I've been getting a lot of requests for more Discord tutorials and more emulator tutorials recently, as well as some Premiere Pro tutorials, which is kind of interesting to me, as I used to be a video editor, so that's really kind of my bread and butter, and I really like doing that. So if you have any requests for the next coming weeks, as I'm going to be switching to daily uploads, you want to request some things, let me know in the comments down below, or even on my more recent videos. That's fine as well. I plan to be doing much more of these kind of things in the future, and I hope to be continuing that for as long as I can. I also want to do more technology videos and more talking head videos like this, or at least in the realm of more technology stuff. So maybe not as much rambling as this would be, but more technology focused. And I plan to kind of improve and change my setup here as we go along, so hopefully everything is okay. So from tomorrow onwards, I'm going to be changing to daily uploads over here in the channel. I'm going to be testing it out for the next couple of weeks, and I'll be keeping you guys posted. I'm going to be leaving some text below with my social media. I also tried to plan to be a bit more active over there, so if you could check those out, that would be great. Follow me, tweet, whatever, Instagram, hashtag, all that fun stuff. I don't do a lot of social media outside of YouTube, but that's what I tried to plan to do over the next couple of weeks to hopefully keep that more active, and hopefully make this more of a feasible thing in the future. Let's not get ahead of ourselves and kind of make any goals or plans, but I would like to see where this goes in the future, and hopefully it continues to be nice and successful for me long term. So again, thank you so much for the support over here on the channel. It's been really great to see the growth. I'm really coming close to hitting 1,000 subs in a month, which has been a goal of mine for a long time. And I think if we could keep that over the next couple of months, and approximately 85 months later, I should be at 100K, which is my kind of long short-term YouTube goal. After that, I'm not sure if it's even possible to go higher, but 100K I think is feasible, at least in a long situation term. I'm not expecting it anytime soon, but if we could hit that soon, that would be absolutely great. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did, be sure to like this video, leave suggestions down below if there's some things you'd like to see me doing over here in the channel. I'm open to whatever kind of comes up, and we'll see what happens in the future. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. Until next time guys, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.